Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are building something for a 4-year-old's birthday party.
What?
I don't know. My nephew Dexter, which you may have remembered from a previous video where we did some painting with him and his sister, is turning 4 years old here pretty soon, and Dexter wants a shark-themed birthday party. So we're going to make Dexter and his friends a game to play at their party, similar to like cornhole or beanbag toss or whatever you want to call it. We're going to use these. Now I just got to build the sharks. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here's the end result. I can't exactly pull them up towards the camera and get them in frame and me, so they're gonna stay back there. But I did make a little bait bucket. You saw me using the stencil to put his name on it. And it's just a Flow bait bucket. Thought it was a cool idea so I could put his little bean bags in there for his game, but overall pretty pleased with the way they turned out. Definitely like the spray paint texture on there versus just making it a flat color. Gives it a little extra pop. Not too difficult. I put the hinge the way I did so that it could be angled. If you got kids that are, say, 4 years old and throwing it, if you put a little bit more of a tilt on the front end, they can actually, you know, hit the nose and it slide down into their mouth and make it easier. You could also move them closer to the shark. So maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your land shark building skills. That's not a thing. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them much props, because it's time to feed the fishes. There you go. There you go. Oh, don't think I forgot you.